Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tony Best Cosmetics. Here we give review about skincare products and hair care products. Please, before we start with this video, please I would like you to subscribe on our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to subscribe so that you'll be able to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we are going to review more about a popular product. I believe that most of you know this product. It is called Veet Gold Turmeric Super Whitening Oil. It is 100% natural essential oil. This Veet Gold Turmeric Super Whitening Oil is a body repair oil, anti-dark spot oil, and anti-aging oil. This turmeric oil is very super whitening. It is very active. It is good for the skin. The Veet Gold Turmeric Super Whitening Oil is rich in vitamins and vegetables oil, which is very good for the skin and has a moisturizing, exfoliating, sunscreen, and other effects. Turmeric oil is rich in unsaturated fatty acid and vitamins. Its active ingredient can deeply nourish the skin and strengthen the skin's moisturizing properties. It can help produce more skin collagen, soften the skin, soothe the skin, and preventing aging. And it helps to reduce the appearance of pigmentation. You can see that this oil is very, very good. This Veet Gold oil is very, very good. Here it has a lot of benefits for using this oil. So here are the benefits of using Veet Gold Turmeric Super Whitening Oil. 1. It clears dark knuckles. 2. It is super whitening oil. It's a whitening oil. 3. It clears dark armpit. 4. It clears dark tights. 5. It clears black spots and dark spots. And 6. It is an anti-aging dark spot oil. So you can see that this oil is very, very good. The oil is good. It's made with turmeric, and the oil is for face and body. It's a face and body oil. It is face and body oil. How to use Veet Gold Turmeric Oil? After cleansing your skin, apply a proper amount of the oil onto your palm of your hand and apply it to your face, neck, back, hand, and feet for a soothing massage until the skin is absorbed. Note that you should use this oil on external skin only and cannot be taken. You cannot drink this oil. It's for only external. It's for only external. And you should store this oil in a cool and dry place. Here are the top ingredients that was used to produce this oil. Sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, collagen, elastin, curcuma longa root oil, jojoba seed oil. So you can see that this oil is very good. This oil can work a lot of things. Veet Gold Turmeric oil is very, very good. It's for face and body oil. It's made with turmeric oil. It is very active. The oil is very active and good. So if you have any question concerning this Veet Gold Turmeric oil, you can drop your comment and you will get a reply. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I'm pleading. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be able to have access to a lot of videos I'm reviewing about. We have a lot of videos about skincare that you can watch and know more about them. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.